so cold. So cold. It's like a blizzard going on right now, and it's probably gonna go all night and snow us in. So that sucks. Yeah. I hate this part so much. Oh my god. You get the tail end of it, you pull your skin taut, and then, woo! Okay. Looks a lot cleaner, but I'm gonna finish up. Good morning. Today is December 23rd. It's a couple days before Christmas. I am off work. I have 4 days off of work. I'm so excited. But welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Danielle, aka Cinnamon Babe. And today is a very freezing cold, wintry day. And so this is just kind of like me stuck in a blizzard. If I may leave, I don't know. But I don't have anything planned for today. But yeah, kind of stuck in a blizzard and just doing like blizzardy things in the house, if that makes any sense. I just got out the shower, just did my skincare, just like literally put oil in my hair. That's all I do, like when my hair is flat iron, I just put like a little bit of oil in it. And then now I'm about to do my makeup. As you can see, I have like little ugly marks, freaking acne scars. I just waxed my eyebrows. I have little pieces that I need to like pluck, but that's normal after waxing your eyebrows. Sometimes the wax misses little pieces and you don't want to go over it, although sometimes I do. But yeah, I'm about to do my makeup. My kids are downstairs with their dad. I'm gonna try to quickly do like a quick little makeup, and I'll like show like a little snippet of me doing makeup. It's not like a full makeup tutorial, but you'll see what I do. I think I'm gonna do like a smoky eye because I like the effect of that or whatever. So this is the foundation I'm currently using. I got Juvia's Place. Yes, it's the lighter one on my face. This is the Velvety Matte Foundation. I Am Magic. And I got it in the wrong shade, so now I'm using it as like a contour. And then this is just from like a regular hair store. This is from by Kiss or whatever. And this is usually used as the highlight contour part, but this is the right shade. This is not. So yes, I have the incorrect shade. I was in a hurry at Ulta and I just kind of like literally snatched this up. I tested it on my chin. It looked normal, but their lighting is a little different, so it didn't look right at all. So yeah, if I cover my whole face in this, I'll look crazy. I'm gonna try to blend this out. I don't like this foundation. I'm used to cheaper foundations, and sometimes cheaper foundations can be easier to use. I use the Fit Me by Maybelline, which is actually a really good product, but it's cheaper and it's a lot more blendable. These more expensive foundations, and yes, I've tried a lot of them, do not blend very well. They're like putting paint on. They're very concentrated. You can't like accidentally use too much I mean, you can't, ugh, I can't even get my word out. You can't, like, mistakenly put on too much on your hand, because I put it on my palm first, and then I just, like, the back of my hand, and then I just, like, apply it that way. But, if you use too much, it shows. With cheaper foundation, you can kind of get away with that. Like, oh, it'll blend in my skin. This kind of, like, it's like paint. I guess some people like that because they need, like, that coverage. I don't need coverage that bad where I need, like, it to be on my skin like paint. I just need it kind of like, I need coverage, don't get me wrong, because I have flaws I like to cover up. But, okay, I blended it. I'm trying to, like, use this phone as a mirror. Yeah, I would definitely be sticking to Fit Me. And just using like little tiny dabs of this as the little highlight part. And you have like a lot, like literally one tiny dab of it is a lot. It's very concentrated. Now I look decent, I will say. This is a tester that I got when I was trying to start my makeup line, so it's not a brand, but it's how I contour my nose. I'm not the best at contouring my nose. I don't want to scratch my nose so bad it itches. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna blend this out 1 second. My foundation routine definitely needs work. It's not the worst though. Like, once it's finished, it looks normal. It just looks stupid in the meantime. Mom, look at my... Oh, my kids are so attached to me, which is a good thing, but it's like, ooh, I just need a break sometimes. Literally just need a break away from them. See, it looks normal. Oh my god. Also, I got this because I've been seeing it on TikTok and they act like, oh, look how wonderful it blends. I think I got the wrong color of this too. So I'm very bad at foundation. Very bad at picking it. Like, I guess like if you compare, like I did a decent job. It doesn't make me look like a ghost. We'll see. That's as much as I'm going to apply. Okay, so this is the finished look. Sorry I didn't put the full video of me doing my makeup on, but I was just trying to hurry up because I've been upstairs for a while. My kids are downstairs with their dad, probably driving him crazy. So, I need to get them dressed for the day, and then we're probably gonna make like gingerbread houses together because I bought these little mini gingerbread houses. So yeah, and I don't know what we're doing today. I don't know if we're leaving the house or what. It doesn't look that horrible out. Here, I'll show you my backyard. It doesn't look that horrible, so we'll see if we leave the house or not. But yep, I'm about to go get these kids dressed and ready for their day. Okay, I get lost with your Mitch Mac socks. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
No, other direction, go. Downstairs. Why are you trying to say? Whatever. Mitch Mac socks, kids. Yay. Say hi. Cheese. Okay, say bye-bye. Go downstairs. Bye-bye. Don't get mad. No, 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 no. Come on, we can go downstairs together. Up. Why are you mad? Whatever.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down.
Minecraft. Bye.
Only ran it through the grinder once because I wanted to accomplish more.
He just got done shoveling because he's sexy. Hi, sexy. Now he's going back out there for whatever reason.
Oh, good. Please.
Alright, so now we are about to make gingerbread houses. I bought these little mini gingerbread houses from Target a couple days, or a couple weeks ago, last week or the week before last. Mister just woke up from his nap. Cardi, what are you doing? What are you doing? Let's put the shirt on, Cardi. Hi, baby. Ah! He's putting on a show. Okay, I'm about to set up these gingerbread houses.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Alright, so I just got back from my parents' house. My oldest wanted to spend the night with his grandma because that's his little weekend routine he likes to do. He's really close to my mom. So we just went over there and hung out for a minute, and now I'm back home and I'm about to wash my face. And this is what I usually use to like wash my movies. What does it say? Oh, okay. Anyway, I hate when this camera does this. Okay. This is what I usually use to wash my face. It is the Clinique All About Clean Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser Mousse. And it really like gets all the makeup off. That's why I like it. And I got this from Sephora. And then I use 2 moisturizers. I don't know why, I just do. I guess because I just have them. The Tati, the Dewy Skin Cream, because even though my skin is very oily, it needs to be hydrated. And then same with the Clinique Moisture Surge. Sorry if it's not focusing. Come on, focus. Whatever. You know, I got this from Sephora. It was part of the birthday gift, so it's like kind of like samples. But yeah, so tomorrow we'll try to get out the house and do something more interesting. I've been in the house all day, and then literally my outing was going to my parents' house, and I didn't even vlog it. So, yep, you guys have a good night, and I will be back. Catch up with you guys in the morning. Mwah. So cold. So cold. You what, Visit?
I bump and I grind. My voice sound weird as shit.
I'm filming you.
Cause
I'm... Oh my god. Oh shoot. No. You live right now? Good afternoon. It is Christmas Eve. Tomorrow is Christmas and I'm so excited. It's the next day. And so I'm about to run a couple errands, Christmas Eve related errands, before I go to my mom's house and bake Christmas cookies. And it's so cold out and I'm ready to move. Give you a part of the obnoxiousness.
yeah.
Okay, Grant, I'm gonna need you to walk away from me because I'm looking for stuff for you and that's it. My husband's husband and my brother gifts for Christmas. And so now we're about to either A, get some food, or B, just go straight to my mom's house. It's terrible out. Okay, so I'm at my mom's house now. And I didn't get a chance to show you what I was wearing. This is like a jumpsuit, but I'm wearing jeans because it's so cold out. And these are ripped jeans. So it's like the outfit works together to be cute but also warm, because I can't wear one without the other because of it snowing so bad outside. It's like a blizzard going on right now, and it's probably going to go all night and snow us in. So that sucks. I did the grunge smoky eye. Never mind this part. This part got messed up, but it still looks really cute. And then my mom is baking holiday cookies and whatnot. I'm starving, and she just bought some Little Caesars nasty pizza. I'm not eating that, so I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna eat in a minute. But yep, I'm out of the snow and I'm happy about it. Look at my baby.
No, I'm freezing it. Say hi, Danielle.
Hello.
Watch the game.
Mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first
You open one of my presents.
Which one's yours?
What Robert just opened.
Oh.
Yay, some lotion body wash.
Dad, here.
Look, some Lunchables. And look, what type of Lunchables are they? Candy Lunchables.
In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Look at the doggy. That's your doggy favorite. Look at him. He's so cute.
This is you ever game, Brianna.
You like it?
Right. Little rotten baby.
You like your toy?
I like real stuff better, but this is I got one out.
Oh, good job.
I'm just bring it all.
Yeah. Oh, and then one more. Yeah, I knew you would like glasses.
Oh, I like this.
What's that, Robert? A little rock, a little shop, a little workshop.
Okay, so I'm at my mom's house and I'm starting. So I'm gonna end this vlog so I can start the next one, which probably will be tomorrow because I'm off work tomorrow. And I'm starting, like I said, we opened up presents. I got the Paris Hilton perfume, so excited because it smells so good and the bottle is so pretty. And some other nice items. I got these earrings. My Aunt Sheila gave them to me. And this is what I got on today. Dressed like a hippie. My favorite way to look. But yep, this is the end of the vlog. I'm about to go eat and spend time with my family. I hope whoever's watching has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I am Cinnamon Babe, and TikTok Cinnamon Babe 94. And thank you. Stay tuned. I have a lot more content coming. Bye.